Ladies and gentlemen, this evening, our guest is one name Rashid Steely.
Asaase Radio.
Rashid Steely, aka Dungy, from the ghettos of Jamaica into the real cities of Europe. You understand me?
Asaase Radio.
Yeah, man. The man said, Lagazee, me ready and goody. And this is how we welcome our guest and we usher our guest into the
Asaase Radio.
top 10 of the week.
From it don't concern you, it's not your own. See people business and leave it alone. Hear them say, J-Lax don't live in a tenement yard. J-Lax can't live in a tenement. Too much watch it, too much so, yeah. Watch it, too much so, yeah. Every little thing them watch what you do. Chatty, mouth with the life why you too much. Watch it, too much so, yeah. Watch it, too much so, yeah. Them too fast and inquisitive, just all up in your business. Watch it and a chat, oh other people live. Carry go bring come, that's how we call it. But I one thing that I know good style. Watching other people business while yours it a spoil. Drop it, no pick it up, that a dirty profile. It's like they don't care, don't got no pride. Sit around for hear your conversation like parasite. Sometimes it make me paranoid. Wonder if them drunk can't have nothing for hide. You don't know where them stay so. J-Lax don't live in a tenement yard. J-Lax can't live in a tenement. Too much watch it, too much so, yeah. Watch it, too much so, yeah. Every little thing them watch what you do. Chatty mouth with the life why you too much. Watch it, too much so, yeah. Watch it, too much so, yeah. Make sure stay far from them. Coulda never, ever be me friend. Tell them something, them take it, tell Gwen. Have your name in a mix up, blame. Wash your mouth, don't add the mineral. With some cold beer, or with some detal. Chat too much, too hypocritical. So me find out them worse than criminal. With them story, tell be a lie, just forget glory. Talk about you know me, or you fi know me, I never you grow me. Yo, give me pass, who from before me, cause if me get cross, is a different story. You're out of your mind or you getting crazy. Based on those questions that you come ask me, don't mix me up, you're too contrary. J-Lax don't live in a tenement yard. J-Lax can't live in a tenement. Too much watch it, too much so, yeah. Watch it.
Remember, them say he that keepeth his mouth shall save his life. A lot of people are full of, full of sauce, full of talks, and all these things. This is Dungy. He said, mind your own business.
Hear them say,
yo, some people full of people business too much. The man said, leave people business alone and mind your own business.
I trust in your unfailing love. My heart rejoices.
And this one is
salvation.
Jah never leave. Jah will never leave us.
Has been good to me.
He will never leave us lonely.
In your unfailing love, my heart rejoices in your salvation. I will sing the Lord praise, for Jah has been good to me. Don't leave me lonely.
Oh.
Jah never leave my side. Don't leave me lonely.
Killer Lagazee.
I trust in your unfailing love. My heart rejoices in your salvation. I will sing the Lord praise, for Jah has been good to me.
Moving Bleeding.
lonely.
Jaja.
Jaja never leave my side. Don't leave me lonely. Please be my shield and my guide. Don't leave me lonely. Jaja never leave my side. Don't leave me lonely. Please be my shield and my guide. Yeah, yeah. I give thanks for life, existence. Jah guide me along the way, give me health and strength to overcome this fight of this life challenge. Yeah, yeah. Living in a critical times like these, when people are dead by man-made disease. Too much dead body in the cemeteries. Getting sick and there's no remedies. Don't leave me lonely. Jaja never leave my side.
Don't leave me.
Lonely. Please be my shield and my guide. Don't leave me lonely. Jaja never leave my side. Don't leave me lonely. Please be my shield and my guide. Yeah, yeah.
Listen.
What kind of world are we living in? This was not the way at the beginning. Everywhere you turn, now I just problem. Population control, now it's just a trend. Things get real sick, really serious. You don't even know who to trust. The heart of one can very evil. Some call up on your name, don't leave me lonely. Jaja never leave my side, don't leave me lonely. Please be my shield and my guide, don't leave me lonely. Jaja never leave my side, don't leave me lonely. Please be my shield and my guide. While prophecy unfolding, things are changing. Still give thanks to your blessing. Call upon your name because you me put my trust in. Protect me through everything. All the pandemic, I go run a COVID-19. Stay alive and surviving. Just I do the right thing. Don't leave me lonely. Jaja never leave my side.
Don't leave me.
Lonely. Please be my shield and my guide.
The listeners of Yaad Settingz are so special. So sometimes when I play some songs,
Leave my side.
I feel like
Leave me lonely.
I want to flip it. Flip it, Lagazee.
Lagazee International Sound, you don't know who. Lagazee International Sound.
Always a picked up
Are you ready?
Slow.
Live and direct.
Son boy I feel run and go hide. Kill them slowly. Always a picked up. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I do some son boy.
Lagazee International Sound.
Asaase Radio.
Are you ready? Live and direct.
Always a picked up by our side. Kill them slowly. Son boy I feel run and go hide. Kill them slowly. Always a picked up by our side. Kill them slowly. Son boy I feel run and go hide. Them dead, no longer in existence. Lagazee sound killer left you with no strength. Shouldn't enter this clash challenge. Dead in a critical clash like this. Because I be a big dub Lagazee a squeeze. Find your body buried in the cemeteries. So lock off your soul, we are begging please. We kill them slow. Always a picked up by our side. Kill them slowly. Son boy I feel run and go hide. Kill them slowly. Always a picked up by our side. Kill them slowly. Son boy I feel run and go hide.
Asaase Radio.
You cannot spin the dubs like I see been spinning. You even play the same songs at the beginning. From
Let them know, Don G.
so that's a problem.
Some people think Lagazee Sound International is just some walkover sound system. Try and see. You think I play a thing?
Left out of the place, we kill them slowly. Always a big love by our side, kill them slowly. Some boy have to run and go hide, kill them slowly. Always a big love by our side, kill them slowly. Some boy have to run and
Recent time, Donji alongside Jifafa Sound System decided to release this one here titled Real Warrior.
General, Jet episode. That's it,
Asaase Radio.
Never drop my guard, I have to win. The most I bless, I to sing. I am a warrior, real warrior, battlefield warrior.
Listen!
I am a
Warrior!
real warrior, Jaja soldier.
Donji!
I am a warrior,
Donji, looking at my face, looking at my face.
real warrior. I am a warrior, real warrior, ain't no pushover. With my arm on my shield, man full of strap on the battlefield. The music I'm a weapon, John know me no really need a second. I'm so strong and resilient, well vigilant, humility, calm and militant.
Yeah!
I am a warrior, real warrior, battlefield warrior. I am a warrior, real warrior, Jaja soldier. I am a warrior, real warrior, battlefield warrior. I am a warrior, real warrior, ain't no pushover. Chanting some reggae music make you rock. Real hardcore from Jam Rock. Doing it broadly and bravely. As I look at you, Jah recruit me. Negative them retribute. Still yet the righteousness may execute. Treading alone on this danger zone. I alone, me no need no truth. Cause I'm a warrior, real warrior, battlefield warrior. I am a warrior, real warrior, Jaja soldier. I am a warrior, real warrior, battlefield warrior. I am a warrior, real warrior, ain't no pushover. No. Jefafa, ain't no pushover.
We now no pushover, man.
Warrior.
Some people think say we weak fence. You must be mad, man. What I'm to you? Donji assure you say we are warriors. You understand me? Yeah, man. When you step into a territory, no pushover, man. Yeah, I want to do something, guy. This is why I want to play Eternal Fire from Donji again. Before we talk to him, Lagazee, let the fire burn.
Asaase Radio.
Hey, Jamaica, towel, Waterhouse, standpipe, wheel it, Lagazee. Warm to them.
The fire is burning.
Whoa. Listen to me, man. When the music nice, you play it twice. And even a third time can never abuse you. This is Asaase Radio, Yaad Settingz. He turn on fire, Danji. Pam, 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 pam. What them feel like?
Fire is burning, burning,
Yeah.
burning in my soul. The table is turning, turning. Prophecies unfold. The fire is burning,
Burning.
burning in my soul. The table is turning, turning. Jah, Jah, take control. Worries are sin, praise to the King. Can't be ungrateful, it make me a win. Give thanks for blessing, me learn me lesson. Gone were the days me have one dumpling. Elevate and I sing, I love me I bring. Spark up the flames, ignite the rhythm. What goes around comes back around. It's a universal swing. The fire is burning, burning, burning in my soul. The table is turning, turning. Prophecies unfold. The fire is burning, burning, burning in my soul. The table is turning, turning. Jah, Jah, take control. So why we worry when we can pray? Wipe those fears and doubts away. Cause even after the darkest night, the sun will come again and shine another day. Learn of all the composure. Militant like a soldier. If you're not believing in your own self, then know you are gonna know Jah. The fire is burning, burning, burning in my soul. The table is turning, turning. Prophecies unfold. The fire is burning, burning, burning in my soul. The table is turning, turning. Jah, Jah, take control. Worries are sin, praise to the King. Can't be ungrateful, it make me a win. Give thanks for blessing, me learn me lesson. Gone were the days me have one dumpling. Elevate and I sing, I love me I bring. Spark up the flames, ignite the rhythm. What goes around comes back around. It's a universal swing. The fire is burning, burning, burning in my soul.
Listen to me. Sometimes when you go through the fire, you see, before gold will become pure, it must go through fire. So when you go through the fire,
Easy.
and the fire burn you, listen to me. You see, so at a certain point in time in my life,
Easy.
when I wake up in the morning, I have food at home,
Easy.
but there is calculation on the food. What time am I going to eat?
Easy.
Yo, you think I joke, thing? You wake up in the morning, there is food at home,
Easy.
but there is a particular time that you have to eat. You don't just wake up and step into the kitchen and you start eat food.
Easy.
Sometimes you must eat once a day.
Easy.
You understand me? A family of 8 struggling for a little piece of bread. So when you go through these cycles in life, you come to understand life in a certain way. So when you see other people suffering, you will appreciate your situation.
Easy.
You understand me? Yeah, man.
Easy.
So what Donji is saying is real in the song. I wonder if the people them are listening.
Easy.
Rastafari is the Almighty. Yeah, man.
Easy.
Welcome the Queen of the Movement, Empress Debbie Slashy, I know. Mr. Rashid Steely.
Easy.
Everything is all right. Let's cross over now
Easy.
and go to Europe. And let's have a chat with our guest. You know, a couple weeks ago, you know, we're supposed to have a beautiful conversation.
Easy.
And then we had to forfeit our reasoning
Easy.
for the sports crew. We did that. But today, we decided to come back, you know, and make sure that things happen.
Easy.
Danji, how are you doing?
Awful King Lagazee.
You know, see.
Asaase 99.5 FM.
You good?
Up and running, Accra, Ghana.
Yeah, man. That is it.
It's right.
That is it. That is it. Well, go on, my family. Everything good with you?
Yes, I most things blessed, you know. Just I go and give thanks and make the most I fix the rest, you know.
You know, see it. That is it. Because you can't handle everything, man. You understand me? You know?
That is it.
You have to try do your part and leave the rest to God. You understand? Because Him alone is the author and the finisher of I and I faith. You see me?
Exactly.
All right. So let's begin our conversation this way. Donji, where exactly were you born? And how was your growing up? Talk to us about that.
I was born at Linstead Hospital, and that's in St. Catherine, in a place called Linstead, and that's where I really grew up and spent most of my time. Before living in Linstead, I used to live in Riversdale, St. Catherine, then we moved to Linstead. Based on music, you know, music have you going to and from. So from Linstead to Kingston to Europe, where I'm living now, currently reside. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Yes,
we give thanks. But
yeah, man.
talk to me. You were born in Linstead, you understand me? You used to be as Riverdale and St. Catherine and all these places. Now, talk to me. You're growing up in Jamaica. How was it?
Well, growing up in Jamaica, it was rough, you know. I'm not gonna lie. Things never really that smooth, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Coming from a parents with a balance, you know what I mean? Like, my dad is a politician, so, you know, I used to both sides of life. I used to the poor life and I used to the rich life. My mother wasn't that person who have much, but my father, he was blessed with certain material stuff. So growing up is a balance. I understand both sides, but I stick with mommy and live with mommy. Go school from mommy house. You know, so from mommy house to Europe till me dep on my own as a big man. You get what I say?
All right.
Yeah, man.
We give thanks. So, Daddy was a politician. What exactly was mommy doing? Was she a Christian? You know?
Yes, she's a Christian and still a Christian, you know. She used to work, you know, but the work wasn't constant like a permanent job. Now and then she would get little something for do. You know what I mean? So she could have balance bills and, you know, buy food and stuff. You know, and as a youth growing up, you know, I remember even sometimes we don't even have food. You get what I say?
Yeah.
Man, definitely till, you know, doing this music and the music start to evolve. I remember even one day a sound system forward from Canada. I think the sound named Massy Sound. And my friend linked me and say, yo, Massy Sound in our place and he want some dub plate. And even at those times, I didn't have 45, but me have songs I sing. You know, didn't have anything on record. And we had going to studio King Lagazee and my voice 2 dub plates. And soon as me done the dub plate them, the owner for the sound for me 30,000 Jamaican dollar for the two song, 15 a cut, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And when we reach home King Lagazee,
Yeah.
15, give my mother half fight, 15,000, hold back 15,000. I feel so good in myself, you know, say, yeah, the music accumulate some funds, and I can help pay bills, and I can help food.
All
you
right.
know what I mean? So,
All right.
a certain thing, it's like,
Yeah, man. Now, I am glad that you coming with a dub plate thing because, you know, I man is a sound man and this dub plate business,
man.
we love it. But before we step into the dub plate kind of thing, you did say you didn't have no 45 at that time, but you have songs, a performing all these things. You understand me?
Yes.
Now, talk to me about that time, the situation. How was the music business around that time?
Those times it was so different. The music was so different, you know, because at that time it was cassettes and records, you know, and CD was just coming in. There was no digital stuff as yet, you know what I mean? So it was much different then comparing to now. Them time you have to, on your peak of farm, when you go studio for record, you have to have the song legit because you can't spoil a man cassette. You get what I say? One take. Yeah, man. So if you spoil a man cassette at time and money and you get run out of the studio and give that. That never happened to I and I because me always have my thing set. So when I go studio, cut and go through one take. Yes, I.
But let us know, did you have any experience with any sound system growing up?
Yes, many sound system because even Riversdale where I'm from, there's a lot of sound system come from Riversdale. You know, you have ears, you know, from Riversdale. So then we keep a dance for the weekend and we'll grab the mic. You know, John Jolaz also. John Jolaz is a famous producer. He's also from the community that I'm from, you know, but I never actually knew John Jolaz. I knew his family because I was so young. Those times I was like maybe 17, 18 years old, you know, so John Jolaz, them a big man and live in America and thing, but me I hear about him and me I link with him family. Him have a nephew named Lazarus, which was my friend, you know what I mean? So it was like that around the community. We used to sing pan sound, you know what I mean? And those times so we don't, you know, cut about, we don't singing and song. We used to knock with chest and build rhythm and make song. And them so far where I come from them times. You get me?
Yeah, but Danji, I want you to be real on this one for me.
Yes, sir.
As a youngster, you're now the 45 out. You understand me? And then boom, you were invited on stage by the ARP, you know, Davil, Mitch, the singer, and among others. Now, talk to me about, you know, having 45 out, and this particular prominent group invited you on stage to come do a thing. Now, talk to me about that particular incident. How did that happen?
Well, at that time, ARP was having a show in my community in Riversdale, and as me say, we then in our community, I sing on sound system, I sing on the corner, I sing for ones on one. So everyone in my community know that I'm an artist. Normally, you even call me by my real name, Rashid Steele, which is my real name, government name. In my community where I grew up, where I came from, they call me Singer. You know what I mean? That's the name they always call me. Singer, wagwan. Singer, yo, 1 year a tune. So people already knew that I have this talent. So at that time when Davil ARP have the show, the people them request to hear Dan Jeep on the stage.
Wow.
And those times me I go by the name Genius. Never have the Dan for my name yet.
Okay.
So yeah, genius. Right. So me link a producer in a Kingston, he must say the genius too long. Take off the rest of the letters them and just call yourself Danji. So that's how the name Danji come about. But me are still genius.
You
As
don't see.
everyone can hear in my music.
Yeah, man.
So I saw the thing come down and the people them tell Davil say to call me up. And when Davil called me up, hell the stage.
Wow.
It was keeping at a place we call it Bundong Supermarket in our communities. A supermarket was there, but it burned down, so the place flat and it left a open area, so them used to keep event over there. We burn it down again, King Lagazee.
Yo.
Yeah, man. Because those times I was singing over song, I was doing covers also.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, some used to sing over a few songs like Carlton, that is Ghost. Me used to sing over Ghost song.
Mm-hmm.
Lady in red is dancing with me. And them songs, Celine Dion.
Yeah.
You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Until I grew up and, you know, I can articulate and write my own music. So I say thing I forward.
All right.
Inside.
All right. It means that the eye bless from the beginning and all these things. And now, even though you have invitation to come on stage and all that, you don't even have 45 yet out.
Exactly.
Wow. Wow. But
Exactly.
but now, talk to me about this. Whose idea, was it that you have to join the New Face crew? It was whose idea?
You check the thing properly, that me like about you, King Lagazee. They study the history.
Yeah, man.
You know? Well, I was invited to the group New Fears by my cousin, because my cousin Ryan, he was a part of that group and he was much older than me. When I joined that group, I was like maybe 16, 17 years old. You know what I mean? And those times never really used to left the house too much. So Ryan literally come to my mom and say like, we have a singing group, and we're a farmer thing, and would I like Rashid to join the group? And my mother accept. And as so comes now, I start touch the road with New Face and went a reggae trail with Susie Q.
Okay.
And we came third, we came out victorious, we came third in the reggae trail competition. So we get a trophy and we get some dollars.
Okay.
You know what I mean? The group broke up still, like I think in 2000, the group broke up. The group consists of 6 of us.
Okay.
And the group broke up because of several factors. One of the factors is that like one of the group members, he went to America and he was going to college studying engineering and stuff. So the group did kind of break up because he was like one of the strong link them in the group. You know what I mean? And to tell you, he's in America going to school, and we only could hear one day that he meet in a tragic accident, brother.
Oh God.
You know what I mean? Which that accident caused him to paralyze his left side. No bones broke, him just get a hit in his head on the left, and all the left side of his body paralyzed, bro. So that really caused a trauma in the group, and even though I talk to him, I feel like emotional remembering those stuff, you know what I mean?
Oh God.
Yeah, man. So I saw the group really fell apart. And since the group fall apart, I just continue solo and say me have to continue this legacy. You know what I mean? So that's how it all began, and that's how Danji is still here solo doing music. But normally me start out in a group called New Face Crew. Yes, sir.
All right. Oh my God. What a sad story. What a sad story. But when the group broke up finally and you decided to go on your solo career, how did the people then receive you? And when did you start, recording in terms of putting out 45? Talk to us about that.
Well, I recorded my first solo track in 2011, right? Because the group break up 2000, yeah. So 11 years after I start my official recording solo, and my first song was a song called "What Goes Around," and that song propelled to turn out into a breakthrough hit song, a breakthrough hit single for me. We recorded it in 2011, and the song literally hit 2013.
Wow.
Yeah. So the song topped the UK charts, you know, and it topped many charts in Jamaica locally. So What Goes Around was the first song where really opened some door for me musically, and I saw the people them receive me as an artist doing it solo, because What Goes Around literally I talk about the music industry. It a talk about the DJ them, the artists them, musician and a whole, and even people who benefit from this culture, because as a Jamaican, the culture is music as well, you know what I mean? And they keep a lot of street dance and event and things like that. And these events, people come out, come sell them banana chips, them sweetie, you know, you name it, them peanut, them corn, and that's how them accumulate certain funds, really send them kids back to school Monday morning. So what was going on? Dance them a lock off from 10 o'clock. And that not right. Even though you will get your permit signed and say you can keep your dance till maybe 3 or 4 in the morning, them still come and lock off the dance. So my song was speaking about the injustice that's happening in the dance hall and the music industry and a whole in Jamaica. So people really gravitate to it because at that time that was going on, and that song was fit to speak about what's going on. And like DJ Weasel, DJ Wayne, I have to mention DJ Wayne in another interview. Yeah. DJ Wayne on one of the biggest stations at RFM. Power play the song because him asked for the dub plate. I'm going to give him the dub plate. And them have a thing named Cash Pot to come on radio. Is a lottery venture thing, legal game, where people listen the radio break and them a listen lotto. And so before the radio break for the lottery, What Goes Around come on the radio. You know, so that time everybody tune into the radio
and listen to them
number.
Yeah.
So majority of Jamaica hear the song. And you know what DJ Whistle do again? It's when Cash Pot finish, and play the song 3 more times, King Lagazee, and seal up the thing, King Lagazee.
Rastafari.
You have to give respect to DJ Wayne. And it not done this up. By the week for done, King Lagazee, the song in the paper because we did film a video feed. The video, it CVM TV, it list countdown chart. Boom, #1 on the chart at Jamaica. When my brethren come to me and I say, yo, Danji, you sang up on the TV, you know, #1. I say, we sang. I say, What Goes Around? I say, really, I not see it. Because me as a man, I don't really watch TV. I listen to radio mostly than I watch TV. Because always I listen which DJ or which radio I play my song. And so I stay from day one. You see me? Yeah, man, until one day I really do home and see the countdown. And I sang up on the chart for real. And you know which time that King Lagazee, as I said, 2013, if ones and ones can remember, that was the time Usain Bolt go Beijing.
Yeah.
So, Usain Bolt, they're on the TV and the sports athletic are going and them break. As me I say again, people are watch sports.
People are watch sports.
Yeah, but when it break and the entertainment charts count down and hit this forward, What Goes Around video, boom, I thump them in them face musically.
Wow.
And I saw that G career really propel. Yeah, man.
All right. All right. We give thanks for the elevation and everything and all that. But
most definitely.
there is one thing I want to find out. And let me take you back a bit to the dub plate issue. You voiced dub plate when you had no 45 out yet.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes I do wonder how does that happen? Like an artist, you don't have any song out there, and sound system come in and say, yo, me I look at dub plate and say, yo, me can give a dub plate, man. And boom,
Yes,
bam.
right.
And you go in and give the sound a dub plate and the sound pay you money. How does that work?
Yes,
and if,
man. Because
and if I may find out, which sound system did you first voiced for? Was that the same sound system?
yes, it was a sound system from Canada. Massive sound, massive international sound. And even Stone Love, Rory, get that dub, What Goes Around, and he was playing that dub also. You know, as I said before, What Goes Around, when we go studio for voice dub plate, we just build the dub plate on spot. You know, the sound system tell you what you want. You know, tell you the names of a call and whatever. And most people don't know, you know, there are many different type of dubs. You have special, you have normal dub plates, and you have custom.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So the selector tell me what you want, and me just sing what you want, naturally.
Naturally.
Yes, sir.
Easy.
Wow. So in 2017 now, per the research, moving from Jamaica to Europe, what exactly happened in Jamaica that propelled you to move to Europe, and you decide that me nah go back again? Europe is my second home, but I will visit Jamaica from time to time. Talk to us about that.
It was life changing, you know what I mean? And to be real and be truthful, love brought me to Europe. You know what I mean? Love brought me to Europe. I meet a nice empress. You know what I mean? And that's how she bring me to Europe. You know what I mean? Yes, and she's also my wife. I'm a married man, you know what I mean?
Wow.
Most people don't even know that.
Congratulations.
So
You see,
they know right now.
not
So,
listen
yes,
to me, man. Not all artists, can go so boom and say, yo,
Yeah, man.
People are hold back things. You understand me?
It's not all about them because the truth are the truth.
Of
You get
course.
what I said?
Of course.
Truth are the truth. And I am a person, we deal with just truths and righteousness. We not come around for sugarcoat and tell a lie.
Of
You
course.
get what I say?
Yeah, man.
Anything me talk about my life is just the truth. I just saw it go. Yeah, man. That's something really
Yeah, man.
if we move to Europe.
All right. So Danji said love brought him to Europe. You understand me? Yeah, man. Love brought him to Europe. And trust me, he's dead now. He's a married man now. Now, a lot of people, are tired with the concept of marriage now. You understand me? And all that. I would like to ask you one personal question. Would you advise your fellows to get married or just make babies with women?
Well, I would say it depends, because you can't just make babies with different women, because that's the reason make many youth fatherless, grow up with just their mother alone, because it wasn't authentic. You know what I mean? It was just a hit and run and then baby born. And it no fear for a youth to grow up and have that father figure in his life, really show him certain ropes of life and guide him. It's very important. So I would say, I feel literally married, but you can have this one girl where you really dedicate yourself to, and she dedicate herself to you, and when you live a normal life and have a good relationship. You know what I mean?
All right. We give thanks. So 6 minutes gone into the R7 here on Asaase, the voice of our land. Our guest is the one named Danji, Jamaican reggae artist based in Europe right now. And we're having sweet conversation, telling us about the story, how the whole thing began from urban Jamaican ghetto You know, the father was a politician. You understand me? You know, roughneck politician. You understand me? Yeah, man, living uptown life and all these things. But the mom was a ghetto woman and all these things. But she stick to the mother. You know, started join groups. You know, things couldn't work out, fall out and all that. And then finally in 2017, he migrated to Europe. Now, Danji, talk to us about maybe if you have an album out, if you have EPs out and all that, talk to us, because a man want to know about that. A man was asking me, even when I put out the flyer, people were like, they were trying to find your music. You know, when you post a picture, you know, adding the song and all that, people said they were typing your name and your name wasn't popping out. You understand me? And I think it did happen to me also. What exactly is going on?
It depends on where they were looking for my music on YouTube.
No, on Instagram, you know, sometimes when you post the flyer, you know, you go you click on the music sign and it takes you into the music box, and you can type in, when you type in Danji, you know, nothing pops up, you know, in terms of your music. You know, someone complained to me and myself, you know, I went there, you know, normally when I'm doing post, you know, I post and I go there, look for the artist music, and then I put it on it.
About like when you want to make a reel.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's there, man. It's there on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You know, once you type in, I think you got to type in Danji and the title of the song. You know what I mean? Because I get to understand there's a next Danji somewhere around the world who's doing some rap music.
Yeah. But I've seen that. I've seen that Danji too.
Right. So that is even the reason I put Danji music. I put a music on the Danji, so it's significant and different. So when I want to type in Danji music, they can find me more easier.
Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
So people, anytime you want to type in, it's Danji music, and then boom, bam, zoom, you can get him. Sir. You understand me? So now problem solved.
Yeah, King Lagazee. I want to let the people them know so them can visit my website as well at danjimusic.com. And you see, Google, the algorithm, it's working very well. So if you type in Danji, if you just go Google and type Danji, D-O-N space G, all my social media come up, and also my website. I got a website with merch and music, so they can get even my music from my website. You know, and even see one of the merch them here, my bro.
Yeah.
So one of my teacup them.
Yeah. Nice, eh? Yeah, man.
So they can find it at danjimusic.com, and we have hats and t-shirt as well. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Me dip on the website now. Danji Music, Journey Through Music Experience, you know, and all these things. Danji over there with nice spectacle and, you know, microphone in him and all these things. You understand me? Danji, the Danji Experience. You understand me?
Right.
With wallpaper pictures and all this thing, you know, about the Danji music. You understand me? Everything is here. You understand? Music videos and all these things. Yo, everything is here. You understand me? So, yeah, man, people can just, you know, boom, bam, step on it and check it out. So people want to find out how many albums or EPs have you?
Yeah, I'm currently working on my first album, my debut album, which is called Faith Move Mountains. We already released a single from the album, which is Move Mountains. Yeah, so people can go and anticipate for that album. It's coming very, very soon. It's a 15-track album with some nice songs from Danji. And it's also my first studio album. Everything was done in the studio, from instrument to the writing to the vocal. So everything compile right in the studio at John Bertram right here in Luxembourg, Europe. So once can look out for that Faith Move Mountain. But for now, you can go stream the song Donji Move Mountains. And I also have an EP that I released 2017 before leaving Jamaica. We released an EP called You Reap What You Sow. Yeah, so once can stream that as well. It's on all digital platforms. And based on the DSPs and stuff like that, wasn't accurate in Jamaica those times. So since we come Europe, remaster it and re-release it 2019. So it's there. You reap what you sow. Donji. Go and stream the thing them. Zin, blessed love. Yes, I.
All right. So when exactly should we expect Faith Move Mountains?
Well, I would say the latest is I think in December. Because we're still in mastering procedure. We're still mastering the tracks. So that's what happened. That leave it done and then album date set and everything. So once can anticipate and listen out to the date when the album are gonna release. Yeah.
Okay.
You know, we have to do things proper and paperwork, the split them have to write and everything have to write. We not just sing and just boop and shoot song on internet. Them days are finished, King Lagazee, as you know.
Yeah.
We have to do the thing business wise because music is a business. So we have to do the paperwork properly and then we push out the music.
We give thanks. So people, Don G said, we should expect this, Faith Move Mountains in December. You understand me? So people, look on it. December, we'll sit down side by side like this with Don G, and then we'll go into that particular album. You know how our things stay over here. We make sure that we link the artists. We go into the songs. I keep saying this. This is non-political show. This show is to show every reggae dancehall artist on earth, to the world. We go into artists, and we talk to them. You understand me?
Yes,
we don't run down artists. You understand me? We put them up and we encourage them to leave. You understand me? That is why our thing is different on Asaase, the voice of our land, because we're live on 99.5 in Accra, 98.5 in Kumasi, 100.3 in Cape Coast.
Easy.
Yeah, man. And per the statistics, as we are watching right now, it's 28 million people, tune in and listen.
Easy.
You think I play a thing? You think I joked in this? I'm telling you, man.
Easy.
Wake up and leave. Now,
yes, sir.
in this July, Don G is about to release a new song titled We Will Rise. You understand me? We Will Rise. But, it's not out yet. But I am privileged to have it over here. We'll talk about that. But before then, let me take some few messages over here for Dan G to answer. We'll come back, talk about that, premiere that, and then we can wrap it up and cut.
Easy.
This is Asaase, the voice of our land. Junior Zamani sent in a couple of messages, and let me take my time and then read them out to once and once for them to know. But in the meantime, Junior Maestro from Norway, far away, says, yo, checked in. You understand me? Everything good in the place. And the Junior Zamani goes to boom and say, Don G, a very great artist with beautiful songs and beautiful and genius, songs that I love. Free, Real Warrior, we need a change. Mother's Cry, Never Give Up. Inner Jam Down. All right. And then Elizabeth Menu says hello. We say hi over Yasso. And then Junior Zamani step in again and say the following. He type in the following. And then Jimmy, why you pay attention and listen and also answer the questions accordingly. The first one is, how has your Jamaican upbringing shaped your songwriting and your view of the world?
Well, my Jamaican upbringing really shaped an integral part of my career, because growing up in Jamaica is really different from in Europe. You have to be resilient as a Jamaican. You have to be a fighter in terms of fighting for good, fighting for greatness. You know what I mean? So there in Jamaica, it really teach me a lot, because the ball game and the music industry is so much different back in Jamaica from how they do it in Europe. And based on coming in from I would say I'm 90s artist, you know, coming in from that era, I kind of have a lot of experience going to studio and learning to record songs properly. Yes, I.
All right. So, Junior Zamani again said, what challenges have you faced in the music industry, and how have they helped you grow as an artist?
Well, one of the challenges I face, like when you go to studio and to record, and the engineer or the owner for the studio tell you come today. But when you go to the studio today, it's a different thing, and then you get to record. So them thing they force me if you have my own studio. So even from back in Jamaica, I try to create and build my own studio. Yeah, man. So the fight when we really get sometime, like for record a other person's studio or to perform a certain stage show. I talk about before, because now you really overcome certain hurdles and people get to say you're serious and what you do are real things. So then we let you through. But as you know, King Lagazee, there are a lot of gatekeepers in the music industry. They see your greatness, know your greatness, and don't want to give you that try. There are not many people like you, Lagazee, who will see Danji doing his stuff, doing positive and conscious and hopeful music with moral, and really press play on it without evil, linking Danji and say, you can't get a thing, you can't send me a thing. King Lagazee have never asked me for $1 to play my songs them yet. And King Lagazee has been always supporting my career from day one. Even though as an artist, I know say, yeah, you have to spend in the music business to really get back. But at least as an artist, when you see I try, when I really reach up there yet and bust yet and I make that millions and that billions, at least help the artist to climb, no? Yeah, man. So sometimes at the fight, them really get ones and ones know me songs them great, and them just take long for just press play. Just to press play. It's like it's difficult for them.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Sometimes I think, sometimes it even let me think that they don't want to hear hopefulness and positiveness and music with message, because all my music are with message and not derogatory. My music is a guideline where really, if you listen to music good, it can navigate you to do something good. You understand what I say? So sometimes I think say, because them not really want greatness. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All right. So Junior Zamani goes to boom again and say, which song have you written and it is most personal to you, and what exactly inspired that?
We Need a Change. We Need a Change is one of my favorite songs also, after what goes around, because We Need a Change, I wrote that song since I was in Europe in 2018, and based on the injustice again with the police brutality back home, because Jamaica I'm forward from, you know, it the normal sometime, you know, you will sell your stuff them also for your honest bread, you know. police just come beat you up, and take you off a road, You just have to sell your food and some little items, pay your bills. So as an artist, seeing that stuff and as a voice of the people, and me there in Europe and me I watch the news, me still see them things that are going. So I say me really have to say something. So I saw the song The Forward, we need a change. And when me release the song, people even inbox me and I say, yo, the world need a change, because after what we see come forward after 2018, the COVID-19.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, so the song that really mean a lot to me. And to tell you how I write song, King Lagazee, I have to be inspired. Song just come to me. Literally, King Lagazee, I'm going to say a thing on this, and it sound like joke, but that's a serious thing.
Mm-hmm.
And the other day, I tell my brethren about it. You see, Move Mountains, is a song I'm writing on my sleep, King Lagazee.
Wow.
Literally in my sleep.
Wow.
Even me myself have a question, how you do that?
Yeah.
My brethren send me the rhythm for record, and I've been a listen to the rhythm.
Yeah.
So I fall asleep, Lagazee. And so when I wake up, King Lagazee, the lyrics them forward to me, and I say, you know what? In a studio, I just right as I wake up from out of my bed, straight to the studio, and I saw the song the forward.
Wow.
Yeah, man, in my sleep. So them thing they really show me say, meanwhile me even asleep, my brain a process same way. The most I inspire me same way.
See star.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
We give thanks every time. And then Delroy Bauer says, cool man, check in. Him say bad song. Yeah, man, we give thanks every time. Delroy Bauer, every time. Junior Zamani continue with his question. And then he said, can you, all right. He said, what's next for you? Can you share, any upcoming music collaboration or project with our listeners? And what advice would you give to the young songwriters in Jamaica and around the world who want to build a career in reggae music?
Yes, my advice to them, just continue doing what you're doing. Don't let no one demotivate you and tell you that you can't. Just believe in yourself and be that warrior. Let that warrior spirit inside of you come out. Keep that internal fire blazing. Don't let no one dim your light. Just be you and be yourself and do great music. You know what I mean? Just continue the greatness and it will happen, because if I was to give up, I wouldn't be here right now speaking to King Lagazee from Europe to Ghana. So I say thing come down, just continue the greatness, continue be you. And ones can look out for more music. I got this song coming in August as well, on the Box Cutter volume 14, I think. And that's Boxy production, that's from Tough Gang, with a song named, I think we named that song Live It Up. You should know if you live it up, but needs not pick it up. Please make the violence cease. Love is a solution, warrior the answer, not critical times like this. You should know if you live it up, but needs not pick it up. Please make the violence cease. Love is a solution, warrant the answer, not critical times like. Yes, I.
All
so
right.
Keep anticipating and stay tuned.
Yeah,
yes,
man.
I.
Yes, I cool man. Say big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man. Blessed love, cool man. Big up. Give thanks for joining Asaase Radio and listening to the interview.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
every time. Now, let's talk about the brand new project which will hit the airwaves very, very soon. We Will Rise. Talk to me about what is behind that. The song is not out yet. You understand me? But I just want to break the rule
yes, sir.
and put it out. You understand me? So
yes,
talk to me about this.
Well, that song will be releasing on the 17th of July. And that song basically speaking about the storm Melissa that occurred in October the 22nd or the 23rd, 2025. And being a Jamaican living abroad, I feel like the storm hit me as well, because when me I watch the news King Lagazee and see they don't stop them a blow off, tree a broke down, people now have light for days. I remember when I was living there and when there was a storm. But what I come to understand, like Hurricane Gilbert and Ivan, Melissa was so much powerful than those. It was like category 5. So it was a high magnitude of storm. You know what I mean? So Grippy Nation linked me from in the UK. You know what I mean? And she has said she have a project of forward where she want to raise back some funds to donate to Jamaica storm relief, hurricane relief, and she would have loved me upon the rhythm because she liked my vocals. So based on the project and the topic, that's how this song forward. And may I tell Jamaica, say, stay firm, stay strong, we will rise again, no matter what go on. So once and once, listen up from King Lagazee, Asaase Radio, Yaad Settingz.
Easy. Brand new. Lagazee International Sound.
Asaase Radio. Asaase Radio.
Are you ready?
Fears no trials, and no tribulations. Out of many. Fears no trials, and no tribulations. Out of many, we all are one. We've been through it all, the hurricane and the storms. But no matter what comes, we will rise, rise again. If we build back Jamaica, little but with Talawa, we will rise, rise again. If we build back Jamaica, little but with Talawa, sweet little island. Yes, I them will come from.
Asaase Radio.
Hurt me to me heart. When you see the devastation in Catherine region, it mash up on a Portland. Red basket, St. Elizabeth, where the most food come from. We will rise, rise again. If we build back Jamaica, little but with Talawa, we will rise, rise again. If we build back Jamaica, little but with Talawa, we have to give thanks for those who survive. When the people never make it out during this category 5. No clothes, no food, no shelter. Left we a wonder, is this a man-made hurricane or is a natural disaster? Hold the faith through prayer, call upon the Father. Yeah, hear me, Jamaica. We will rise, rise again. If we build back Jamaica, little but with Talawa, we will rise, rise again. If we build back Jamaica, little but with Talawa. Fears enough trials, enough tribulations. Out of many, we all are one. We've been through it all, the hurricane and the storms. But no matter what one, we will rise, rise again. If we build back Jamaica, little but with Talawa,
Yo,
we will rise.
people, this is exclusive.
again.
This is exclusive.
Jamaica,
Up to them. Pam pam. This one you're gone. Me like the reactions already. Junior Maestro says more fire. Cooley says, yo, this one you're bad, bro. Talk to me about the reaction, them. What you think about the song? It's not yet out. Exclusive. When I see the voice of our land. Yaad Settingz with King Lagazee, Empress Debbie, Narobawa. Junior Maestro. Technician on duty. Sam. Look about with Talawa.
We will rise again. Every bill back Jamaica.
Look about with Talawa. Oh my God. Oh God, oh God. Dungy, you have that voice. That I don't know how to describe that sorrowful voice that will pull people attention and say, yo, listen, yo.
Easy.
Yo, big up yourself, man. You understand me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I can't wait for this to be out finally. You understand me? Yeah, man. We just give the people them the piece of the pie for them to know what is in stock, what is coming. So if this is releasing on the 17th of July, and listen, the album Faith Move Mountains is dropping in December. So you can anticipate what is inside the album. And remember, the album is a live record in the studio. Everything was recorded live in the studio.
Easy.
All right. Yeah, man. So, Dungy, talk to us about where people can link you and all these things, so that anybody that want to voice dot plate, that want to voice 45, and they want to link you and all these things, where them can catch you and all these things, and then also advise the youth them. You understand me? Badness is not the thing. You understand me? Advise the youth them. You understand me?
Yeah, man. So, if you want to find Dungy for the bookings and dub plates or stage show or whatever, you can go www.dungymusic.com, and that's DONMUZIK at dungymusic.com. That's where you find me. That's all my social media angles. And you can send an email also, dungymusicbookings@gmail.com. So remember, my social media is Dungy Music, DONGMUZIK. Yeah, man. And if you want to go to my website, you just add the .com on it. And that's how you find me. You find me on Spotify as well, Apple Music, Tidal, all the digital platforms. And you know which part to find me again? Run Asaase Radio with King Lagazee.
You don't see it.
Yes, one night time, King Lagazee, real life, real time, I have to visit Ghana,
Yo.
Most definitely.
Not so far, man. You understand me?
We go Africa one time still. 2023, me visit Nigeria and perform at the Celebration Festival. But Ghana is a place where me really would like to visit as well.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Not so far, man. You understand me? And before you step in with the advice for the artists and the ghetto youth and all that, Sam, work with me, Sam, work with me. You understand me? Work with me.
Easy.
Yeah, man.
All right. So you can proceed right now.
Yes, so as me saying, peeps, the advice is be you, be yourself, be self-reliant. You know what I mean? And Stay out of trouble, do the right thing. And if you're an upcoming artist, just continue sing a song, continue write the songs them. You know, get it produced properly and release your music. And as me say, you soon enough leave it up, badness no pick it up. These make the violence cease. Love is a solution, warrant the answer in a critical times like these. So Project Love. Love is the only solution, and only love shall set us free. King Lagazee,
Yeah,
give
man.
thanks for having me.
Respect.
On behalf of Asaase 99.5 FM radio, the staff, thanks for having me. It's a pleasure sitting here, speaking to the diaspora, speaking with my African people and other people around the world who tune in to Asaase Radio. Empress Debbie, big up yourself. Selector Maestro, big up yourself. King Lagazee, my brother from another mother. Heart of love every time.
Respect.
Give thanks.
Respect every time. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we draw the curtains down with, Dan G. And trust me, I have to play this song back again.
I trust in your unfailing love. My heart rejoices in your.
Let the bingy drum beat.
I will sing the Lord praise for Jah.
And the Junior Zamani says,
Don't leave me.
is the only 7-star general who plays songs that are not yet out. You bad.
Don't leave me.
Laga.
No.
I mean,
Please be my shield and my guide. Don't leave me lonely. Jah never leave my side. Don't leave me lonely. Please be my shield and my guide. Yeah, yeah. I give thanks for life, existence. Jah guide me along the way, give me health and strength to overcome this fight of this life challenge. Yeah, yeah. Living in a critical times like these, when people are dead by man-made disease. Too much dead body, not the same.
you ready?
Getting sick and there's no rest.
We're stepping into
Don't leave me
what we call
lonely.
Yard Classics
Jah never
with Empress Debbie.
side.
She ready and she good.
Lonely.
You understand me?
Please
Empress Debbie the ever sexy. How you
leave
mean?
me lonely.
How you mean?
Jah never leave my side. Don't leave me lonely. Please be my shield and my guide. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, people, everything good and everything is all right in the place. My name is King Lagazee, the 7-star general. Trust me, just gone by was reasoning with Danji. You understand me? Yeah, man. And right about now is the time for us to deal with the Empress on radio, the one name Empress Debbie. You understand me? With Yard Classics. Empress Debbie, if you're ready, you can press a thing and let me hear if everything is all right in the place. You understand me? Yeah, man.